If you live in Midwest or South, and on a day like today when there are a lot of clouds in the sky, you are going to worry when it's going to start to hail and damage your car or vehicle. So today I'm going to show you one of the very good ways I found to protect your vehicle. My criteria for selecting the most suitable method was number one, it has to work, which is offer some level of protection against hail. Number two, it has to be very lightweight, so you can easily use it or anybody can use it. Number three, gotta be very portable, which means I can carry around with me, so whenever it starts to hail, I can just start to use the method. Number four, after I've used it, I should be able to wrap it up very quickly and be on my way to do whatever I was doing before. So the method I have now that I carry in my car is these mat. This is a 9 foot by 18 feet RV mat. It's a vinyl. It's very lightweight. It's easy to carry and has 4 bungee cords across it. So these are 4 feet cords and it just works amazingly well. And I've used it for the last 2 years in different hailstorms. So I'm going to use this scale to measure the weight. So about 12 pounds is the weight. And why do we have the bungee cords? Is once you put this vinyl mat on the vehicle, you want to hold it down, and the bungee cords help with that. To put the mat on the vehicle, all you got to do is lay that across like this and just unfold it, which is grab from one corner this way. So it's half folded. It's tri-fold. So we're gonna unfold that, which is once you put that in the center of the vehicle, one piece goes this way, and then the other piece, you can just pull that from under it. Like that. When it rains and storms, it's windy, we're gonna use those bungee cords to tie it down. So what we have is this, where I attached the bungee cord, one end of that on a wheel, connected it, and then on the other side, done the same thing. And again, do the same thing on the rear wheel as well. So it takes maybe less than 2 minutes to make the whole thing, to deploy the whole thing, and you end up with something like this. And we'll see if it starts to rain or hail. So the morning after the hailstorm, see a lot of leaves on the ground, which is expected from the hail that was falling last night. Hopefully my car is protected, and I'll find out when I remove the cover. The good thing, these bungee cords kept the covers in place. My neighbors had their cars parked outside. Let me see if they stayed protected. Oh no, I do see some hail dings. Hopefully they're not big, so they will pop out with hot weather when the metal expands. So you can probably see some dings on there, like here and here. So I'll start removing the bungee cords and remove the cover. Okay, the next bungee cord. All right, so
I'll fold the cover later. Remove it first. Car looks pretty good. I don't see any dings on it. Let's see if there are any hail dings anywhere. Against the light. No. It looks good. It's dirty now because I think the water just seeped through, and I can wash this. Just washed my car, make sure it's clean. I have this 5-minute quick wash thing at home, so I got a video on that, so we'll link it out. But right now I'm trying to see if any hail damage when the car is washed, and so far I don't see any, which is good. I really like there's no hail damage. Look at the sides and on the roof. Yep, I don't see any dings, which is awesome. So these are just a little water on that corner. So no dings on the sides either. So this is awesome. Like the results, so thanks for watching. The cover did the job.